Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel SpiceMalgam. Today we are going to see an interesting and lip-smacking dish that is Cauliflower Korma. It is a lightly spiced curry that satisfies your taste buds. Following are the ingredients to make Cauliflower Korma. If you don't have fresh cream, you can add same amount of milk, and those who don't have poppy seeds can eliminate it. Start the recipe by adding 1 cardamom, 2 cloves, 2 pepper, 2 bay leaves and 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds in a deep saucepan. Dry roast these ingredients until you smell the aromats. Once roasted, add 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk and ½ cup of cream and stir it. Now add 10 to 12 cashews, 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 sliced onions to the saucepan. Cover the saucepan with a lid and boil it until the onions are translucent or cooked. Once cooked, remove the saucepan from heat and allow this curry mixture to cool completely. Meanwhile, in another saucepan, add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. After the oil heats, add the cauliflower florets to it and saute it until golden brown. This helps to remove the unpleasant odor from cauliflower and helps it to cook fast. After the curry mixture is cooled completely, add it to a mixer grinder and grind it until it forms a smooth paste. In a saucepan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and let it heat. Add the cumin seeds and allow them to sizzle. Then add the whole green chilies to it and the asafoetida, that is hing. Lightly saute this and add the curry paste to it. Saute it continuously while adding 2 teaspoons each of Garam masala, kitchen king masala, cumin powder, coriander powder and salt as per your taste until the curry paste thickens. Once thickened, add the cauliflower florets to the curry and stir it until the florets are evenly coated with the curry paste. Cover the saucepan with the lid and allow the korma to simmer for 10 minutes and let it cook. When cooked, garnish it with chopped coriander. Your curry is ready to serve. Enjoy this simple yet delicious Indian curry with a paratha, roti or rice. For more delicious recipes like this, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button.